Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from myself. Alrighty guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this braid out on my Mircolocs. I am currently 3 weeks and a few days into my journey, and I decided after my wash day that I will do a braid out. So this is the results and I am ecstatic. I love how it turned out. The only thing is I wish I had a little bit more volume, so I was like a little bit more like voluptuous, but that's okay. It will get there. So without further ado, let's get started on how I went from this to this. But yeah, so my hair is freshly washed and it's just super simple. I'm just going to be using my wild growth oil. There's a little bit of that I had originally in here, and I added my own oils as well. So I'm just going to start off by oiling my scalp because that is very important. You want to make sure your scalp is nice and oil and not getting dandruffy, if that's even a word. So I'm just going to gently massage it in so I don't create more frizz that's already there. And I'm going to take some in my hand, just a little bit, because they are obviously new. They're only 3 weeks old. So I have to be careful that I don't add too much moisture or too much slip that my twist unravels. So I'm just going to gently place it on my hair, scrunch it in, and then I'm going to begin braiding. So I like middle parts, so what I'm going to do, and I do apologize if you do see dandruff, I'm not sure if I got all of it out, but I tried to get as much as possible. So I like middle parts, or not middle parts, sorry, I like side parts. So I'm going to get my side part just to make sure that that is out of the way. And then you're going to want to have a scrunchie so you can section your hair away. And then you just start braiding. So I'm going to start on this side and just braid away. Okay guys, so I'm all done braiding my hair. I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have a total of 9 braids in my hair. As stated before, I'm going to probably keep it in for a day or two just so it can be super defined. And I will show you guys what it looks like once I take it out. Okay guys, so it has been 2 days since I've had these braids in, so now it's time to do the unravel. So I'm just going to be using my rose water hairspray just to moisten up my hair to keep it from not remaining stiff, because although I do want definition, I still want it to be loose enough where it will hang nicely. So I'm just going to lightly spritz my hair, and plus because I didn't do it yesterday, I'm supposed to do it every day and I didn't. So let me get that in, and now to unravel. And that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, leave it down below. But if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. If you want to see other videos or anything regarding my Mircolocs or just in general, let me know in the comment box down below and I shall do it. So thank you once again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.